great weekend. We're going to talk about the markets. We're going to go over equities too, okay? Which we do. You guys know we go over equities on Sunday, but we're going to focus on the selling, all right? You guys know we have sell signals on the equity markets, okay? And we saw major selling on Friday. So we'll talk about that and go through all the different systems, okay? Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. All right. Let's get right into it. All right. So we've been talking about this, right? Our monster market tracker where we track the equity market. So the Dow was down almost 700 points on Friday, guys. That's a big deal. All right. So 696 points down for the Dow. All right. The NASDAQ was down 317 points down. That's big for the NASDAQ. All right. The S&P was down 91 points. That's big. And the IWM, the Russell, was down. All right. Pretty big also. And the VIX was up. So the VIX is moving higher. Hey, Antonio, welcome. Bud, welcome. All right. VIX is moving higher. Not a good environment for stocks. Okay. Now, no surprise. All right, no surprise by our traders. You guys know this. We've had a sell signal in equities for almost 3 weeks now, okay? All right, so the S&P, guys, sell signal was here, red candles. We're looking to break through support right here. So your support line right here, we're looking to break support there on the S&P. All right. On the Dow, we are breaking support. Sell signal here, all red candles. If we open this up, you guys can see we are moving lower. All right, broke support here, all red candles. Sell signal was here. That's on the Dow. On the NASDAQ, same thing. Sell signal here, right here, red candles. And we are breaking through support right here. A bit of a pullback, all right, but we're still breaking. And the Russell, the IWM Russell, all right? Sell signal here, buy signal was here, sell signal, and we are breaking support there on the IWM, the Russell. So all four indexes, right? S&P, Dow, NASDAQ, and Russell have sell signals, and we are breaking support levels, all right? So we have sellers that are pushing price down. The VIX is moving higher, right? We always talk about this where a number of 20 is not good. If we break above 20, that's increased volatility. Equity, stock market do not like volatility. All right. So if we get above 20, all right, that's increased volatility, not good for stocks. Okay. So on the monthly time frame, let's bring it down to the weekly. All right. As a matter of fact, let's bring it down to the daily. All right. So daily time frame, we might keep it on the daily for right now so we can track it closely. All right. So 20 is right here. All right. Right at that resistance right here. See here? Right here. We'll call it here, here. And so we know that 20 mark, that's a big deal. Okay. And here we are, green candles at 1954. So we close to 20. All right. So we'll keep an eye on it. As we move higher, we might open up that time frame more. Okay. All right. So we have increased volatility in equities. Hey, Jocelyn. Welcome, Jocelyn. Welcome. Okay. So again, sell signal on the S&P. Sell signal on the NASDAQ. We're breaking support. The Dow breaking support, sell signal, Russell, sell signal. So small caps, IWM, Russell, large cap, mega caps, S&P, and the NASDAQ. Okay, all these sectors are down. All right, and I'll go through each of these sectors in a minute. All right, so tech, materials, energy, financials, they're all down. They're all red, down. All right, so sellers are coming in heavy, guys. All right, so we need to be out of equities. All right, now if you're trading long term, you've got some big pick, you're doing whatever else. If you're not trading with us, don't follow what we do here. All right, we are traders, we are not investors. Okay, so we followed the price action on the daily time frame with these. Okay, all right, so all the sectors, every single one is down. Those of you been following us, at the beginning of the run back in October, fourth quarter, Christmas rally, you guys know that these were all blue before. They're all blue like here, and they were going up. Now they're going down. And again, all the major indexes, all right, the Dow, S&P, NASDAQ right here, they're all down. Okay, so I want to make sure we understand that we should not be long stocks unless your particular position is strong and holding firm. The dollar index, guys, is still moving higher, nicely moving higher. We'll take a look at the dollar pairs. You guys know on the 60-minute time frame, hourly time frame, and on the 240, it struggled a bit. All right. However, daily time frame, Forex Dominator has been trading really, really well. So we'll take a look at how the dollar pairs are performing in Monster Scalper. But the dollar index continues to move nicely up in the markup phase. Okay, buy signal was here on the dollar index at 102, trading at 109. Guys, that's a big deal. All right, right now the dollar index is up right here. E-minis kind of mix. All right, so US 30, NAS 100, S&P, they're mixed right now. Okay, all right. Want to go through these sectors. All right, so gold, guys, broke up to the upside. No buy signal yet. No, gold can be a flight to safety. So as equities move lower, gold, not all the time, but it will move higher, but it can move lower too. All right, but the GLD, that's the ETF for gold. Nothing here. We do have a sell signal, but we're going to keep an eye to see if it can break through that resistance here. That's the GLD. All right. Silver. All right. Completely marked down phase. If you look here, making lower highs, lower lows. Let's bring in a channel here. We've got a channel forming. And silver will move with gold, but we have a channel right here. All right, so what we'd like to see is sellers come on in and continue to move lower. All right, here's your upward channel, all right, line here and downward here. Okay, all right, let's keep going. Biotech, sellers are in control. There's nothing to do there. Okay, all right, home builders, all right, sell signal here. Look what's happening here, right? Clearly in the markdown phase. We will not look for any support levels yet, okay, guys? So don't start looking for support levels to buy, all right? That selling literally has just started. I know it's been about 3 weeks with selling, but we can go much, much lower. I'm not saying that we will, but we could move much lower, okay? So there's no sign of buying yet. So don't look for support levels down here yet, okay? Support is here. We're a long way from there, okay? And that was that materials, okay? Communication services, sell signal here, red candle, broke support right here. We broke in that trend line. Sellers are in control. We should be out, all right? Communication services. Energy, we're trading right between support and resistance, nothing there. All right, financials. All right, financials did good in that markup phase. All right, right in October, nice run. It's over. Sell signal here. Buy signal was here. Sell signal, red candle. Look here, we are breaking support here, guys. Big candle here. All right, so those financial stocks. All right, be careful of those. Okay. Industrial, same thing. Sell signal, right? Markdown phase. Sellers are coming in heavy. All red candles. All right. Remember what we do. We do not buy stocks in isolation, right? We follow those indexes, follow the VIX, follow the sectors. Then this is your stock. The stock is last. Okay. So XLK, all right, broke support here. Sell signal, red candle coming down. All right. That was tech. tech right here, okay? Part of NASDAQ. Consumer staples, sell signal, red candle, look at that, right? That's almost a falling knife. When sellers come in, guys, what took, if you guys look here, what took, 4 months? Yeah, almost 4 months to make a high, right? And guess what? 3 weeks, it's made that low. Okay, so it's made a low right here. The high, the run started right about, we can even call it July. So what took about 6 months to move from here to the high here, we can count the high here, okay? That move from here to here is about 3 weeks, okay? So they move fast, right, when sellers come in, all right? All right, real estate, same thing here. Sellers are coming in heavy here, all right? So we need to be aware of that. Utilities sometimes can be a flight to safety. Right now it's not. Sell signal, red candles, all right, moving lower here, all right? Jocelyn, yeah, absolutely. Yep, you're right. And healthcare, same thing here, guys. Buy signal here, sell signal, all right? All of that selling, all right? Further support down here. Again, we're early in that selling. We're early in January, okay? We could see further selling into January. No guarantee. We'll see. Based on the price action, you know, anything can happen, guys, okay? Buyers can come back in at any time, but we're going to base what we do, right, our analysis on what price is doing currently, all right? We're not smarter than the market. Next one, consumer discretionary sell signal here. Buy signal here, sell signal, right? Markup phase, good trading here. It's done though, okay? It's done. Sell signal here, lower highs, lower lows, red candle looking to break support there. And the last one, telecom, same thing here. Good trading here. Look at that, guys. Buy signal from June, telecom, buy signal. The only disadvantage here is that we don't have a lot of telecom stocks, all right? But anyway, buy signal here, sell signal here, good trading by the system, broke support, sell signal, broke support, sellers are coming in here, okay? Now, we need sellers to come in heavy, okay? Remember, we need sellers now. We need sellers to come in heavy. We need this equity market to go down, okay, so that we can buy back later at a better price, at a discounted price, okay? That's the goal, all right? We let other traders hold the bag up here, right? As the market comes down, we'll let them take a loss. So we'll buy here, get out here, right? As they come in, as sellers come in, we'll sit on the sideline, wait, okay? Let's see, what's that? Let's say February, March, let's say hopefully, right? We get buyers to come back in at that point, all right? So we need sellers to come in, push that market down, okay? We don't necessarily need a crash, but we do need a correction so we can buy back at a lower rate, okay? Forex, all right, Forex tracker, market tracker. We have, let's see here. We still have good volatility on the daily, right? It's come up a bit, right? It was all the way down here. That's fine. So decent volatility on the daily, on the 240 for Forex, and on the 60-minute time frame. We'll spend some time on the dollar index this evening, all right? So here on the Aussie Kiwi pairs, they're mixed, okay? Pay attention to sellers that are coming in, all right? So as the equity market moves lower, all right, Aussie Kiwi and yen pairs could move lower, but the yen has been doing its own thing. It has been moving higher, but eventually it will follow the market. So keep an eye on the selling that's coming in here. You guys can see here on the 60-minute time frame and even on the 240. So we'll keep an eye on that. I think it might be too early to take a look at short positions, but we'll see what's going on here. The dollar, though, the dollar index here, and the dollar pairs are moving. So buyers are coming in here on the 60-minute time frame, the dollar pairs, and on the 240, and on the daily time frame here. So we're seeing buyers come in here. I know it's been a struggle on the smaller time frame with the dollar pairs. We'll see how they're performing this evening. And the pound pairs, all right? Good selling is coming in on the pound pairs here, but again, these pound pairs, euro pairs, they've been funny, so we can trade those. We'll just have to be very selective. Okay, big picture. Let's go through these. Big picture. All right, on the look at that. On the Dow. All right, so big picture on the Dow. If you guys look here, we have a buy signal here. Look what happened on the close. This is on the weekly time frame. So on the close of the week, 1 second, guys. On the close of the week, last week, we got a big white candle. All right, so that's a concern. All right, big white candle. We haven't had a white candle since the buy signal, which came in on, was that 12/1/2023. So 12/1, since 12/1/2023. All right, now it's what? 1, right? January, what's that? January 12th, 2025. Guess what? We got a white candle here, and we're breaking support. So pay attention to this. All right, we could see sellers come in after these white candles. We break support here. That's a major concern here. All right, so the Dow weekly time frame, we got a white candle here. On the monthly, we should be holding firm for now on the Dow. On the S&P, we are breaking support. I mean, we are breaking the trend line here, but all green candles, so still intact. We'll see what happens this week. On the monthly, on the S&P, right here, monthly, S&P holding firm. All right, nice price action, higher lows, higher highs, amazing price action, keeps moving higher. On the NASDAQ, that's holding firm, a bit of a pullback, all green candles, right? No white candles yet on the weekly. On the monthly, on the NASDAQ, buy signal here, holding firm. So we know a big picture, right? They're holding firm. On the Russell, and you guys know the Russell. We've talked about the Russell small caps. Just remember, S&P and the NASDAQ, those are large caps. That's where your Mag 7s are going to be, okay? All right. The Russell, the IWM, those are small caps, all right? Your smaller companies. White candle came in here, broke the trend line here. Keep an eye on this, okay? We know it struggled. All right, really struggle to get and stay above resistance here. All right, so that IWM, the Russell small caps, really wants to come down. Right, that resistance here has been here since 2021, guys. Okay, so this is a big resistance here. Here we are, and guess what? It's been coming lower. White candles, just like here, white candles. Right? If we get red candles, we're gonna get a sell signal or buy signal here, and we could come all the way back down. I'm not saying it will, but right, it very well could. Okay? All right. That's why we do this, so we're not caught off guard. Right? We can take advantage of these opportunities or just protect ourselves, right? So the Russell weekly right here. Monthly on the Russell, same thing. Buy signal here. We were hoping that it would stay above resistance. It is failing, coming back down. Okay. Too early to draw support levels yet. Let's see what happens here. The VIX, like I said, it's moving higher. All right. So if the VIX is down here, guys, just remember all the way down in here, 12, 13, 14, good for stocks. As the VIX moves higher, that's not good. Here was the crash in COVID. See that? See the VIX move all the way up here? That's the crash in COVID here. Here, 2007, 2008, see the VIX made all that spike all the way up here? Those are your crashes. Okay, so low volatility down here is where we want to be in stocks. So it's the reverse, right? When the VIX moves higher, that's bad for stocks. When the VIX moves lower, good for stocks. 20 is the magical number right here. All right, so if we get above 20, all right, that's a concern, and we're almost there. All right, the Mag 7s, Magnificent 7 stocks. Let's take a look. Meta, Facebook. All right, buy signal here, holding here. Tesla. All right, Tesla, hold on. All right, buy signal here, guys. Keep an eye on Tesla. We've sent out numerous videos on Tesla. The thing with Tesla right now, no, the buy signal came in right at 267, closed on Friday at 394 right here, but we got purpose support and resistance, so we overbought, lower highs, lower lows. We need buyers to come on back and move higher, okay? And move higher. That's Tesla. Google right here is holding firm. Microsoft, sell signal, red candle. All right, so nothing to do here, guys. It's in a tight range. Look at that. All right, so no trading here. Very, very tight range. Even if you move it to a smaller time frame, right, nothing here. All right, so nothing to do here. Leave it alone. All right, Amazon gave a sell signal. Okay, so let's go through it. All right, so Amazon, that buy signal came in right at 190. We had a red candle here. I think we called it again right here on the break of this resistance, 196. Closed on Friday at 216, right? Broke support right here, white arrow, sell signal. Close the trade, please. We should be out of Amazon. Apple also closed. So you see these Mag 7 stocks, Magnificent 7. If they're closing, that's a concern, okay? All right, so Apple buy signal was here. Most recent buy signal was at 236, right? Sell signal came in on Friday, on what's that, Thursday at 242. Red candles closed the trade. Pay attention to these red candles, guys. This is the type of selling we can see. All right, especially these are not pullbacks. We have sell signal in the equity markets, right? These indexes and in these sectors. So take precaution. Right, when these sellers come in, be careful. Okay, NVIDIA. All right, NVIDIA gave a red candle sell signal, and again, it's back into this range, okay, of support and resistance here. So big resistance here on NVIDIA right here. So I believe that number is 150 right at, 150. Right, we can say 140, 145, 150, big resistance there. Every time it moves up, knocks it back down. But we do have a red candle, so keep an eye on that. We have support right here, okay? All right, so you guys see what's going on. No surprise. We should not be surprised with any of this price action with equities, okay? Bitcoin, we have a sell signal. You guys know that buy signal was here. Red candle, got back in about right here was a buy signal, right at 70,000, right here. All right, our sell signal came in at 92,000. We should be out. Okay, we should be out. Now it's ranging right here. It could continue to range for a while. If it breaks support, next support all the way down here on the daily time frame. On the weekly time frame, we have support right here. Keep an eye on that, okay? On the weekly time frame, if it breaks that support, next support level 70, right? Remember, 70,000 is that mark all the way down here. Okay, it could fill in that gap, come all the way down here. Okay, I'm not concerned about that breaking right now on the weekly, but the daily time frame right here, that's a concern right here. Okay, all right. And you guys know the Bitcoin will follow the equity market. So as stocks move lower, all right, stocks move lower, Bitcoin will move lower with stocks. Okay, that's the, we can use the equity markets as a barometer for Bitcoin. Okay, the dollar, guys, we talked about the dollar index. All right, keeps moving higher. It's breaking out on the weekly time frame. Pound yen. So pound yen, and you guys know pound yen and the yen pairs. We use pound yen, all right, to track the equity, the yen pairs. All right, we were hoping for pound yen to break through that resistance right here and keep moving higher. Guess what? That's not happening. All right, so we're back below a big resistance here and absolutely nothing there. So keep an eye on that, okay? The VIX, Jocelyn, the VXN. No. Yeah, I've seen it, but yeah, we just follow the VIX itself. Yeah. All right. Good question. All right. The yen, the Japanese yen, guys, we're hoping for, which might not happen, as the pound yen is moving lower, we could see the yen, right, in the futures market move higher. Now, you guys know it's really oversold, boy. It's deep in that markdown phase. So I wouldn't be surprised if it breaks through and move higher. If that happens, pound yen will move lower. Bonds, so interest rates continuing. I know most of you don't trade interest rates, but the TLT, all right, interest rate, 10-year keeps moving lower. Now, so as it moves lower, your rates are moving higher, right? So all your rates, mortgage rates and so forth, moving higher. The good news, all right, if you guys want some good news on rates, is this, okay? Now, support, major support, when the last time we had a crash, right, in the housing was 2006, 2007, when rates were at its highest right here. Here we are right now, okay? So here we are right here. This is 2006, 2007. Here we are here, 2024, 2025. Okay, so hopefully, all right, hopefully this is some good support here and we can bounce and we can see rates come down. We'll see. Gold holding firm, silver holding right at resistance, and crude oil, nothing here. Now, you guys might start hearing about crude oil. All right, traders are starting to talk about it. All right, we're starting to see it here. We saw it in the futures market in our heat seeker system. Right, it's starting to show up in futures because of the buying. We've had 3 days of buying here. All right, but we do need a buy signal. All right, now it's struggled for what, 3 years right here. Right, in the tide consolidation, if it breaks through that resistance, we're going to get a buy signal here on crude. Okay, so keep an eye on that. Okay, so crude oil finally moving higher here, but needs to break resistance to get a buy signal. Okay, all right. I know this is a lot of information we're going through, but we got to catch up. Okay, we got to catch up. All right, our current positions. Let's go through current positions in Monster Scalper for Forex on the 60-minute time frame. Now, you guys know, all right, we've been struggling on the 60-minute. We had a decent run, which didn't last long. I believe it was the dollar pairs or yen pairs, I forget. All right, USD DKK buy signal was here. Red candle, we should be out. Okay, and that's it. All right, that's the only pair we have on the 60-minute time frame. But I think we've got some pairs setting up, some new opportunities we'll look to see this evening. Okay, on the 240, let's move this here. On the 240 in Monster Scalper, let's see what we've got. Now remember that when equities are bullish, traders love to go into equities. All right. When it becomes bearish, they run away from equities, and Forex tend to do better. Okay. So, all right. USD JPY buy signal was here. We were hoping for a break, reaccumulation here. This trade did really well. Bought here, sold here. We were looking for another leg up. Buy signal here. Right, broke support, sell signal, close it. So USD JPY, close that trade. HKD JPY, same thing, guys. Buy signal here failed. All right, so just close that. Again, the pound yen, guys. Remember what pound yen is doing. Okay, remember, right? Pound yen is doing this. It's not breaking out, so that's why these pairs are not breaking out. Okay, all right, so. Right, if we follow the process, we know it's not us, it's the market, right? So it didn't break out, no big deal. HKD JPY sell signal, close it there. CAD yen, same thing. Buy signal here, sell signal, close it. Okay, so these yen pairs, We'll leave them for now. USD SGD buy signal was here. Red candles. Let's close it there. I'm sorry, USD SGD. No, I'm sorry. This is a new one. So we got sell signals here, but we got back in. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, we got back in here. All right, so we're getting back in right here. That's a dollar pair. So we are looking for a move further. We just need these time frames to cooperate on the dollar pair. So USD SGD on the 240. All right. USD HKD, another one here. Buy signal was here, got out here, and now we are back in here. Okay. Normally, guys, we would not get back in. Okay. But we're looking for a bigger move. We're hoping, hoping that this never happened, but we don't have a straight line here. So we're hoping to get back in and move up. All right. Not the best setup here. Not the best setup, but we're just trying to get something out of these dollar pairs. USD DKK, USD SEK, same thing here. All right. So we're going to move this up right here. And we're looking for a breakout. So the buy signal is no longer here. All right. I might have to, let's see here. Normally we don't have to do this. So we're going to bring in buy signal right here. Okay, buy signal right here. All right. This one here, buy signal right here. So we're bringing in our own buy signals here. It is what it is. All right, buy signal there. USD DKK. Buy signal here. SEK. Buy signal here. Dollar ZAR. All right, dollar ZAR is performing well. Buy signal here. It's moving up nicely there. Okay. And these are reaccumulation trades. Okay, here's your markdown phase. All right, first trade was here. So markdown, broke resistance, buy signal, first trade here, reaccumulation. So new buyers are coming in right here. On a break of this resistance, here's your buy signal here, buy your system, moving up nicely there. Dollars up. USD HKD right here on the 240, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Getting past sellers here, past resistance here. Next target on this one all the way up here. Okay, good trade here. Here's your markdown. Hold on. All right, we're good on time. Mark down, mark up. This is not reaccumulation. This is your first trade coming out of the markdown phase. Okay. All right. Buy signal here, moving up nicely here. We can bring this down here. Okay. USD HKD. USD HUF. All right. Buy signal there. Let's do this. Buy signal right here. Okay. And we're looking for a break of resistance. So we got some manual buy signals there. All right. All right. This is on the 240. On the daily time frame, we've got some better trades. Dollar pairs are performing much better on the daily in Forex dominator. Let's take a look. All righty. All right. So we've got mainly dollar pairs and a few yen pairs. Let's go through them. All right. All right, USD Swiss, dollar Swiss. All right, really good markdown phase. All right, really good markdown phase here. Good selling, that's what we need. So markdown phase, accumulation, buy signal here on a break of resistance, good trading here. All green candles, and look here. We are breaking resistance here, getting past sellers, so let it run on the daily time frame, okay? Sellers are sitting here, here, and here. We can count this here. Here we are moving higher. Next resistance level right here, all right? Right, great area here to scale up, okay? USD Swiss, dollar Swiss, first one. USD DKK, buy signal here, markdown phase, accumulation, buy signal, looks good. All green candles, purple support and resistance, keep an eye, all right? But we've had purple here all the way along here, keeps moving higher though, all right? Although we have higher highs, keeps moving higher, okay? Next one, USD SEK, another great trade. Buy signal here, guys. These are for tons of pips. Lots of money here. All right, buy signal here, keeps moving higher. Got past resistance here. Look to get past resistance right here. Current price right here. Right, looking to break. Look at that. Right here. All right. Good price action in here. Okay. USD SEK. And again, it's following, these are following the dollar index right here perfectly. All right, so these dollar pairs on the daily time frame really following. All right, again, only thing is that the 240 and the 60-minute not cooperating as much. Okay, USD DKK right here, USD SGD. I'm sorry, hold on. USD CNH right here. Buy signal here. Perfect markdown phase. Buy signal. Right. All green candles keeps moving higher. We need to let it run. Okay. Let it run. All right. That's where we make our money. Trend following. We catch a trend. Let it run. All right. If you caught it down here, areas here, you can scale up. All right. Especially with these yellow support and resistance lines. Okay. So we are breaking resistance here. Right, keeps moving higher. Good trade going here. All right, USD CNH, great trade. USD SGD, another good trade. Good markdown phase. Look at that. Perfect, guys. Look at that. Good selling here. All right, weighted. Accumulation, broke resistance, buy signal. Notice how we went from sellers to buyers. From sellers to buyers. Okay, all green candle. Let it run. Broke through resistance here. Next big resistance is right here. Boy, if we can break through there, which looks like we could, we should, all right, could move much higher. USD HUF, look at this trade, guys. Buy signal here, broke resistance, look at that. Got past sellers here. This is why we pay attention to support and resistance, right? We don't want to sell at resistance, right? We want to anticipate, hope, that it breaks through resistance, buyers jump in, more buyers jump in, and it keeps moving higher, okay? So buy signal here, all green candles, moving higher, got past purple support and resistance. Now we got yellow support and resistance, which is good, okay? Great trade here, lots of pips. So a lot of money there. USD HUF. I know we don't want to trade on that daily time frame, but sometimes, right, when we catch a big move, it works out. USDN, okay, buy signal here, right, got out of that range, out of that box, right here. Resistance is here, here, and here, and here. Support here. We'll count it here, here. All of this here. Buy signal here, and we are breaking out. Okay, USDN, okay, a decent trade going here. And now the yen pairs. So dollar yen, buy signal here. Just keep an eye on the dollar, on the yen pairs, okay, guys? Okay, just keep an eye. Remember, pound yen here is struggling. It's not breaking out. So we could see these yen pairs struggle here. Okay, so buy signal here, and we high in the markup phase. This is where sellers came in before. So just keep an eye. Keep an eye on this. Okay, on any of these yen pairs long. HKD, JPY, same thing here. Buy signal here, right? That dollar index continues to hold. All right, we could see sellers come in, all right, and we'll get a sell signal. Okay, the good news is, right, it won't collapse like this. We'll be able to get out long before sellers come in heavy. Okay, but just keep an eye on it. All right, we are looking, hopefully get a breakout there. SGD, JPY, same thing. You notice here, buy signal here. See here, purple support and resistance, testing that support. Okay, we're gonna leave it here, but this is one, might want to just go ahead and get out. Okay, pound yen, sellers came in. See here, see what's going on here. So pay attention to how these are trading, guys, and watch the other pair. So buy signal was here, broke support, red candle, sell signal, close it. Okay, pound yen, you guys know pound yen is the biggest mover in Forex. So notice here, see here, sellers could come in heavy. All right, so that sell signal here, white arrow, red candle, close it, get out. Small losses is what we want, big wins. Small losses, big wins, okay? Small losses allow us to stay in the game. All right. All right, let's take a look at equities. We should be light on equities, okay? We should be light on equities. All right, so stock boss. Let's take a look at stock boss here. So small cap, stock boss. You guys know we were loaded up for the fourth quarter, Christmas rally. All right, but that's all over. So SUPV is still holding firm. So it's doing its own thing. We'll let it run. Buy signal was here at 872. Trading at 1916, good trade. We'll let it run. Okay, we only have 4 guys. We were loaded up. You guys remember tons of stocks, right? All right, VUZI. We're gonna close this. The buy signal was all the way down here on the break of this resistance at 150, right at 150. Closed on Friday at 241. Close the trade. All right, if you guys are trading it, market opens in the morning, close it. White candle here, sellers could come on in and push that price all the way back down. So white candle, close it. All right, MVST buy signal was at 40, I think we said 50 cents. Yeah, 50 cents right here. Trading at 235, got a decent bounce on Friday. Purple support and resistance. We'll keep it for now. And then the best one here, let's see. Oh my gosh. That gap down big time. All right. So RGTI, that's too bad though. RGTI, okay. Buy signal was at $1. We said $1 was at $1.15 or so. It made it all the way up, guys, to about $20, right? Isn't that crazy? All right, $20 from $1 and change. Gap down though, gap down. Oh my gosh, gap down here, big gap down. Okay, nothing you can do about this, guys. Big gap down, white candles here. All right, they really got out. So closed on Friday at 893. That's too bad. You hate to see that, right? You hate to see that. Hope, you know, man, it would have been nice. And we have no support and resistance. So they just really came in on Thursday. That's Thursday candle right there. Gap down, and that's just too bad. Nothing you can do about it. Absolutely nothing. It's trading up nicely. No support and resistance. Didn't even give us a chance to get out. So our GTI, close it at least 115 to 893. Okay. All right. Too bad though. So close that trade. So now we only have 2 stocks in stock boss, which is where we want to be, guys. So if sellers come in heavy, remember Dow equity markets were down big. All right. And we have sell signals. So you don't want to be heavy, right? In a bearish market, you want to be light. Okay, Bull Master. So that stock boss was small caps. Bull Master, these are large caps. Let's see how they're doing. All right, holding. All right, let's go back here. All right, the symbol is here, BYRN, daily time frame. That's holding. We're looking for all green candles, guys. All green candles. Holding, firm, holding. Oh, look at that. CRK doing its own thing. Good price action. All right. YPF, good price action going. Now, most of these guys that are left, they should be strong, right? GGAL, look at that. Buy signal all the way down here, right? All the way in the markup phase. Look at that. Caught that Christmas rally, right? New support and resistance line, all yellow, all green, keeps moving higher. So it's got its own fundamental reasons, okay, to move higher. GGAL, good price action there. All right, SLM gave a sell signal, white candle here. So when the market is bullish like this, guys, we get out on these white candles, okay? Normally, when the market is bearish, we get out on these white candles. If we are bullish, we'll stay in and we hope for buyers to come back in, but that's a concern when we're bearish, okay? So buy signal on SLM was at 23. Closed on Friday, white candle at 26. We're going to close it. All right, EAT holding firm there. Good trade going there. GameStop keeps moving higher. GME holding. All right, CLS, look at that. Good price action there, guys. Buy signal was here. You guys can see blue arrow here moving up nicely. CLS. KD is holding firm. Buy signal here, holding firm. And Marvel keeps trading higher. Buy signal on Marvel was at 79, trading at 114. Good price action there. All right, so that's Bullmaster, large caps, mega caps. And then Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals, SLM. Again, we're going to close that there. And then the last one, Amazon. Amazon gave a sell signal, all right, in Bullmaster Pro. So buy signal here, broke support, sell signal, close the trade. So we do not have any more stocks in Bullmaster Pro. And this is what we want, all right? We want to be out of stocks. We do not have buy signals, guys. So if the market corrects, goes into a deep correction, guess what? We're not taking big losses, right? Our traders are not taking big losses. Okay, so we're out and we're in other markets, okay, like futures. So let's see what futures are doing here. All right, US 30, let's see what's going on with futures. Crude oil, I want to see, oh my God, hold on. Crude oil, all right, let's run it. We'll come back to it. It'll take a minute there. The US 30 has a sell short signal there. Okay. Now, our US 30 traders, the good news is that we have a sell short signal here on the daily time frame right here. We are down. You guys see that here? We are down. We're going down. Okay. All right. We're breaking support right here. We have a sell short signal. Okay, this sell short signal we did not call. If you guys took it, good job. All right, this is on the 60-minute time frame. I know you guys traded on the 5-minute time frame. Let's see here. So we had a decent trade here on the 5-minute. We have a sell short signal here, nothing here. Keep an eye on it. We'll wait to call on the 60-minute. Okay, so we'll let this one go. All right, hopefully what we like to see, buyers come in, close that short, because guys, this was not a good short to call. Look at that. Just a lot of consolidation here, okay? What we like to see, okay, is this short close, buyers come back in, perhaps up to the moving average here, close the short, and then give us another short to get in, okay? All right, so we didn't call this. That's on the US 30 once in the futures market. The NAS, same thing for the NAS. We do have support here. Now we're holding support. We do not have a sell short signal, all right, on the daily. That's fine though, okay? We'll need this current short to close on the 60-minute to call a new short, okay? Same thing here on the S&P, all right? We do have a sell short signal here. We just need this current short to close. If you're in it on the 60, good job. Okay, good job. But we just didn't call it. Okay. On the 5 minute, let's see. I know you guys like that 5 minute. Decent trade here, nothing here. And we do have, I think we have data. I think we have data coming out. Do we have data coming out tomorrow? In the New York session. Hold on. Hold on. All right, here we are. Okay, no data tomorrow. We do have data on Tuesday. All right, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we've got data, but no data in the morning. Okay, so that would not interfere with the trade. Okay, okay. All right, futures. Let's go back to the futures here. We're looking for crude oil. All right, crude oil is right here. Okay, so we'll call a buy signal. So we got crude oil here on the daily time frame. So you know what, monster futures system. I think that's the only trade. Look at crude oil, guys. Look at that. And we saw the crude oil. We saw the index for crude oil, right? Look at crude oil here. So crude oil, we're going to call crude long in monster futures. Daily time frame. Okay. All right. Yeah, we've seen oil here. Crude oil. Look at that. Crude oil. Here. All here is crude. That's in the futures market. They're buying crude. Little bit of gold here, corn, but crude. See here, crude. More crude. All right, little bit of gold. More crude. So they're buying crude. And then more crude. Okay, so I'm going to call that buy signal in crude. Okay. I'm going to run heat seeker. All right, just to see what's going on. Heat seeker for stock boss. Let's see. 22,000 stocks. We got 32 guys. 32 stocks in stock boss. That's nothing. Okay. So if they're not buying, we should not be buying. Okay. So these are small caps. 32. Nothing there. Bull master right here. Let's run heat seeker. 22,000 stocks. 37. 37 guys. When was the last time we saw 37 stocks in bull master? All right, so stocks are done. Okay, stocks are done. Unless, right, you have that one or two that's moving up nicely. Okay, otherwise, stocks are done for now. All right, so we're going to, it's 7:55. Okay, we'll go through these quickly, and then we'll be done. Monster scalper for Forex. Okay. We'll look for some short opportunities. I'm hoping it's not too early, okay, to look for shorts. All right, in the Kiwi, Aussie Kiwi and yen pairs, but we're going to focus on the dollar pairs on the 60-minute time frame, okay, dollar pairs. All right, so dollar ZAR, we're going to call it buy signal here in dollar ZAR. All right. Moving up nicely here. We have buyers on the 240. Now this on the 60. So USD, ZAR, dollars are long on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, buy signal here. We broke resistance right here. Buy signal moving up nicely. Okay, ideally we want that buy signal enter here. It's right here. That's fine. On the daily time frame, we're moving up nicely on the 240. Right, we have a buy signal, so buyers are on the 240. All right, right here, you guys can see here, buyers on the 240. We're moving up nicely on the 240. and on the daily also. All right, so we're following the overall trend. Buyers are on the daily, buyers are on the 240. We're going to enter on the 60. That's dollars are. Let's keep going here. Nothing here. USD SGD got a lot of purple there. We'll wait on that. All right, USD SEK. USD SEK. Long 60-minute. All right, so buy signal here on a break of this resistance right here. All right, here's reaccumulation trade right here. Buyers are on this 240. Buyers are on the daily. Look at that. All right. USD SEK. USD PLN. All right. This one is tricky. All right. Let's wait for this one. If you guys are looking to trade this, wait. It has a buy signal here. I would wait for it to get somewhere up in this area here. A lot of resistance here. This is where buyers failed before, here and here. Okay, so keep an eye on it. Here is your markdown. We're going to put a question mark on this one. Okay, so USD PLN. All right, USD PLN. This is one really want to trade light if you're going to trade it, but wait for more further confirmation. It needs to break that resistance. USD NOK, nothing here. Buy signal here. Okay, that's gone. USD MXN on the 60 minutes, that's gone. Buy signal here, so that's a decent one there. That's gone. Markdown phase, markup. Good trade going there on the 60 minute. Buyers on the daily and the 240. USD HUF. All right, looks good on the 240. Daily looks good. Look at the daily, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at the daily. You guys know we're in it on the daily though. Okay, so resistance is here. So we need a break. All right, decent resistance here. Buy signal here. We'll add this. USD HUF. So dollar long on the 60 minute. Okay. Now we could see things change tomorrow, overnight. Okay. USD HKD, that's moving up nicely. That's good confirmation there. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. Okay. USD HKD, that's good. Buyers are on the daily here and on the 240. Good price action. Oh, by the way, this has gone too far, guys. Don't chase it. Okay, that's gone too far. USD DKK, buyers are on the 240, buyers are on the, notice we're going with the overall trend in the other time frames, all right, the longer time frames. All right, buy signal came in right here and holding USD DKK. So I would say we have a rotation in the dollar pairs on the 60, okay? We do have a rotation. Good buying coming in here. USD CZK. All right, buy signal here. Buyers on the 240, buyers on the daily. Buy signal here on a break of this resistance. And it's moving higher. So resistance is here. Buy signal is here. And this is reaccumulation. Reaccumulation. Here's your markdown. Here's your markup. So our job is to just follow the process. So first trade, bought here, sold here. Second trade, reaccumulation. Let's see if it breaks out. USD, CZK. Notice how this is all systematic, right? No emotions. Follow the process. USD, CNH. Buy signal here. A lot of purple up here, guys. Wait. All right, buyers are on the 240. Good buyers are on the daily. Look at the daily. Oh my goodness, right? Look at that. All right, good price action. Good markdown, good markup. We're on it on the daily. The concern here, we have a lot of purple support and resistance. right here, right here. So purple, see here, purple, all that purple. All right, so struggling a bit. We need yellow. All right, now we have resistance here, 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 and here. White candle here. So we need buyers to come in. Green candles get past this area here, and then we'll call it. So definitely wait on this one here. Okay. That's USD CNH. Dollar Swiss, good trade going here on the 60. Buy signal here, good trade going here. Buyers on the 240, buyers are on the daily there. And the last dollar pair, dollar CAD, buyers are on the 240, buyers on the daily. You know, guys, this one here is trading below support. We have a buy signal here, dollar CAD. But we're going to, if you guys notice here, all right, so candle by candle by candle. So you got a white candle here, but now we got buyers coming in. Green candles here. This is a decent setup here. Okay, and if you guys look, don't be lazy like me. Bring in your lines. Here is your mark down. Mark up. That's reaccumulation. First trade, I guess did all right. Okay, mark down, accumulation, mark up, buy signal here, buyers came in, broke resistance, sell signal here, we have a buy signal here, we need to break through. So USD, DKK, I'm sorry, dollar CAD, USD CAD, USD CAD, long 60. So we do have some trades on the 60, great, that's great. Okay, 240. Let's go through this quickly here. We have several on the 240 already. Let's see here. Make sure we're not missing anything. Dollar ZAR, we're in it already there on the 240. Nothing here. USD SGD, we got back in that one. USD SEK, we got back in that one. Dollar pairs, looks like they want to move, guys. USD PLN on the 240, we're going to add that one. We're not in that one. So USD PLN, buy signal came in here on Friday. So USD PLN long the 240. Okay. All right. USD NOK on the 240. Let's add this one also. USD NOK long 240. All right. Buy signal is here. Wants to break resistance. There are buyers on the daily and even on the weekly. All right. USD MXN. Wait for the buy signal there. That's a high buy signal. USD HUF, we're in that already. USD HKD, tell me we're in this one. Yep, we're in that one on the 240. USD HKD, good trade going here, guys. Broke resistance here. Look at that price action. Good price action there. We're almost done. USD HKD. USD DKK, we got back in this one here. Good. USD CZK, no buy signal yet on that one. USD CNH, oh, we missed this one. All right, that's gone. USD CNH, yeah, we've missed that one. Good, decent trade. All right, USD Swiss, dollar Swiss. Okay, so USD, good buy signal here, guys. Okay, look at that. All right, so markdown, is that, oh, that's reaccumulation. Wow. All right, lots of trades here. All right, buy signal here, we're moving higher. USD, CHF, long on the 240, okay? All right, 6 minutes over. We're almost done. Want to get you guys some trades here. Dollar CAD, we need to wait for dollar CAD. All right, we could get a buy signal anytime. Daily looks good. Look at that. Buyers are on the daily here. Buyers are on the weekly. We just need a buy signal. So our monster scalper traders, make a big note. USD, CAD, long 240 on a buy signal. That is setting up really, really nice. Okay. So waiting for buy. Buy signal. Okay. All right. If it breaks through that resistance, which it looks like it will, right up in this area here, we'll get a buy signal. Okay. Probably overnight or sometime late tomorrow. Okay. That's it. Shorts. Take a quick look at shorts. I'm not sure if we're ready to go short. Short the yen pairs. Nothing. Not quite ready yet. Here's a decent one. New Zealand dollar. ZAR yen. Probably the 240. Let's see here. Here's a pound yen on the 60. That's a decent short there. Probably on the 240. Let's see. On the 240, because we don't have any shorts. And I think these yen pairs want to go short. Yen and oh boy. I mean, guys, we might miss. I rather miss. I rather you guys miss an opportunity than force it. All right, so pound yen doesn't look bad. This was a decent short here. So pound yen short on the 240. It broke support here. We have a sell short signal. That's not too bad. So pound yen short on the 240. We do have sellers coming in on the daily. Okay, so not bad confirmation. So pound yen GBP, JPY short, and you guys know the yen pairs will go with the equity market, stock market. Okay, so as the stock market goes down, yen pairs will go down with it. Okay, so pound yen short on the 240. Euro yen, let's wait for a sell short signal. Swiss yen short on the 240. Sellers are coming in here on the daily here. We're breaking support here. Okay. All right. So Swiss yen. Our new traders, be careful. If you haven't traded short, don't trade short. All right, yet. So just stay with the dollar pairs long. Okay. All right. Swiss yen, CAD yen, not ready yet. Aussie yen. Aussie yen, we have a sell short signal, guys, but it's right at support level here. Okay. Okay. All right, we're going to take a chance with pound New Zealand. The pound pairs are going short on the 240. This is a clean. This one looks clean. You never know, right? So pound, we'll just see. Pound, GBP, NZD. Short 240. All right. All right, that's gone there. And then also pound Aussie. So pound New Zealand, we'll take a chance with pound New Zealand and pound Aussie short on the 240. I would stay away from the 60, short in the 60 on these, okay? All right. I know we went over. I apologize. Let's see here. So, okay. All right. So our monster scalper traders long the dollar pairs. That's the trade. On the 60, we have some opportunities on the 60 minute. Okay. And we have some opportunities on the 240. That's the best opportunity right now. Okay. The yen long trade, that's done for now. Okay. So dollar long, equities, stay away. All right. Nothing in equities. Okay. Unless you have your specific trades in Stock Boss, Bullmaster, and they're continuing to move higher, doing their own thing, that's fine, okay? All right, and I'll see everyone on Tuesday. If you guys need to reach me, moving forward, right, in 2025, you guys need to reach me, get on the school community, okay? Best way to reach me. Okay, unless it's urgent, you guys can call me or text me. Okay, otherwise use the school. Okay, all right, guys, take care. Have a great trading week, and I'll see everyone on Tuesday. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.